Hey guys, just a quick tip if for those of you that make your own bracketry, keen to have a crack at it. So I just made up this bracket here for a switch. It'll go on there and it'll be mounted like that. So when you see a factory bracket, there's not a lot of strength in here, but the factory brackets, what they do is they put a dimple in the middle of the bend here. So what I've done, and I grabbed this tip off YouTube channel called the Skid Factory. I think they're in Queensland, Sunshine Coast. So I grabbed their tip, and you sort of molest a bit of your vice jaws, but you cut this notch out with a grinder, and that's your form for the little dimple. So I'll just show you how we do it. So we put it, I sort of know where it is, so when I go to hit it, I get it in the right spot. But always put a mark there anyway. I've got one here as well. So you just clamp it up in the vise. So this is just the initial one. You get the BFH and a cold chisel, I suppose you call it. Line it up, give it a strike, and again, and you can just lift it up slightly, a bit more than that, like so. Give it another tap, like that. Okay. And what that does is stops any flex in that fold. Alright. So hopefully you guys can use that somewhere. Alright, time to mount it.